Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to create custom email filters on Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website, and to get the best plan, please visit the link in the description box to get a discount. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the official website. And if you want to set up or create custom email filters on Hostinger, first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and to creating filters. You can create email filters via webmail. Access your Hostinger email account and then go to the settings, filter, and then click create right from here. And then or you may create a filter based on particular email you received. Open email and then select more and then click create filter. Right? If you're creating filter based on a specific email, specify filter settings such as subject, recipient, and or sender, and then click the next step. Create the rules of the filter and then click on save. Right, you're gonna enter the filter name, filter enabled, scope, and the rules, and then actions. Okay, and afterward scroll a little bit down. If you want to manage the filters, you go ahead to the settings, filters, and then click flag, and then you'll be able to edit or delete the email. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.